Let's continue developing our model. So far, we've added a greenhouse and the Frickensenwell pod to the ground level. Next, let's add some rooftop systems. Starting from the Zones tab, we'll select a rooftop and draw our allocation zone. This footprint will house our new systems. First, I'll select an extensive green roof. Just like before, I'll draw the footprint on the model, and the engine automatically generates the height, structural load, and baseline metrics for water, energy, and carbon. These are defaults, but they are fully editable, and we highly recommend refining them with your consultants. Let's add some leafy greens and tomatoes here. Within this same rooftop zone, I'll also add a rooftop greenhouse and select, let's say, for example, cherries. We now have a total of 4 systems, 2 on the ground and 2 on the roof. Scrolling back up to the circularity rings, you can see they are actively populating. Let's look at the detailed versus global toggles. By default, we are in the detailed view. You hover over the ring, you'll see every crop anchored to its specific zone and system. But what if you want to understand your total crop yield regardless of location? You can hit global. This regroups the data by type, pulling all the leafy greens from roof, ground, garden plots into one unified metric. The same goes for zones and systems. Let's now switch over to the Resources tab so that we can start closing these loops. Here, you can explore thermal exchange, renewables, water treatment, and organic valorization. If we click into the HVAC waste heat, you are prompted to input your building waste heat in kilowatts. This is a number you can plug in from your energy modeler. You can also view the day and night operational profiles, and because heating demand peaks at night, while solar peaks in the midday, supply and demand rarely line up perfectly. This chart maps those mirror images so you can see exactly what energy is actually deliverable. You can also review the baseline building envelope data like U values and set points to ensure that the calculations are accurately tailored to specific projects. Further down, you can add an anaerobic digester to process organic waste into nutrient-rich soil amendment for your garden beds, or can configure your site's water recovery and treatment systems. As you add these, watch the rings instantly reflect the closed loop setup. Finally, click Expand Dashboard. This reveals a much deeper dive into your yields, your offset, your circularity score. If you click on energy offset, for example, the tool shows you the exact equations, assumptions, and reference papers deriving the math. This is in an effort for complete transparency. Your overall circularity score balances your resource demands against your spatial efficiency. Once you are happy with the setup, you can save the scenario. You can build out multiple options, comparing a greenhouse against a garden bed, for instance, to find the best performing setup. And finally, you can directly export the winning brief as a clean PDF for your team or your client.